Hey, my name's Lucas, but we're not here to talk about me. Let's cut the chase and start talking about everything we've done to take our shop from zero to that psychological level of $100,000 in less than 12 months. I know you're busy, I'm busy, you have a busy family, I have a busy family, so let's just dive in. And if there's anything you want me to elaborate more on, then drop a comment below about something specific you hear on the video, and then I'm going to create a video especially for you talking about what you want more details on. So let's get started. By far the most important thing you can do to have a successful Etsy shop is to have the support of your spouse. Etsy shops, contrary to what a lot of people think, take up a lot of time and a lot of work. And instead of watching Netflix or hanging out with your kids or going out to dinner or even sleeping or having coffee, now you're going to allocate that time to grow your Etsy shop. You're going to be learning about SEO, learning about photos, learning about content creation. You're going to be fulfilling orders. It's a lot of work. So having the support of your spouse during these initial stages and even through like some growth phases, it's really important. Next is good photos. You have to have good listing photos, especially the thumbnail. You're competing with dozens, if not hundreds of other shops in the same niche. And just like the eyes are the windows to the soul, your listing photos are the windows to your shop. So take some time to learn about product photography. You don't need a fancy camera. You can use your phone to take really good photos, and then you just evolve from there. But having good listing photos is really important. I know that as soon as you log in your Etsy dashboard as a seller, don't worry about ads and running sales all the time. I know Etsy prompts you to do those things pretty much every time you log in the platform, but every time you do that, you're eating away from your profits and not necessarily getting the results that you want. So focus on creating listings that are being found organically and improving those listings over time. So then later, if you want to run a sale, run a coupon, you can do that just to bump up your profit a little bit, but you don't have to run ads and sales all the time. It's known that social proof helps customer make a decision whether they're going to buy or don't buy from you. So having 5-star reviews, it's really important, especially at the beginning. So I recommend the first 100 to 200 reviews that you get is to be all 5 stars or 4 stars. But strive for 5 stars because people will be reading those reviews, and it's really important that those initial customers are just talking you up and you can convert more and more sales and just snowball your success from there. This one is not as intuitive, but it's important to have a complete shop profile. You don't know where your customers are coming from, what they're looking for, where they're landing on your shop, but it's important to have a complete shop profile with a banner, a profile photo, a shop announcement, privacy policy, shipping policy, FAQ, a little bit about you and your shop and your journey as a maker. It's really important to have sections under your shop so it's easy for customers to browse your different product categories. So have a complete shop profile will help your customer have a better experience with your Etsy shop. The next one, Etsy now makes a requirement, but for your own sake, your own success, you want to do that, and that is to reply to customers within 24 hours. People want things now. And if you take 2, 3, 4 days to reply to a customer, they probably already bought it from someone else. So to reply to your customers as soon as possible will make a difference on your sales conversion at the end of the day. This one goes without saying, but as an Etsy customer as well, I know this is super annoying. When I buy something, it's already a 2-3 weeks lead time. On top of that, the seller delays another week or two, and then maybe another week, and then they say they shipped, but they didn't ship, and it's another week. Ship your products as soon as possible, but always before the deadline. That makes a tremendous difference on the customer experience with your shop. This next one is a great way for you to expand on your product line while hearing directly from your customers what they're looking for, and that is to create custom products. It might just be a one-off for a customer, but likely what this specific customer is asking you is something that you can create for them, charge a little bit more because that's a custom order specifically for them, but take good photos and then put that custom product for sale on your shop as just like another listing. That's a great way to hear directly from your niche what they're looking for and therefore increase your product line and increase your profits. Well, remember when I said that you have to have a complete shop profile? You also have to set up automated coupons right away. So you can set up automated coupons for favorite items, for abandoned carts, and later when the customer purchases from you, you can send them a coupon at a later date so they can buy from you again. So having these 3 automated coupons on Etsy will help you stay kind of top of mind for potential customers and previous customers. Remember again when I talked about specific requests for custom products for certain customers? Think about also more expensive products that you can be creating in your niche. If most of the products you sell are 20, 25 bucks, think about creating a 55, 65, even over $100 product in your niche. So instead of having to make 4 sales to generate $100 in revenue, now 1 sale generates $100 in revenue. Now, don't focus just on expensive products because those are less of an impulsive buy, but having those will help your revenue increase over time. Like I said, we've covered a lot of ground in this video, and if you want to be successful on Etsy, make sure you check out this playlist right here that we dissect the platform inside and out. Thank you for checking my channel today. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.